TAO 1 Mini How-To. Use the TAO app to configure your streamings. Let me show you how to set your streamings through the TAO app of TAO 1 Mini. Thanks to the TAO app, we can send video content to up to 32 streaming platforms. First, connect the power and the internet to TAO 1 Mini. Check the IP settings. Make sure that TAO 1 Mini is on the same network segment as your LAN. Or you can turn on DHCP, and TAO 1 Mini can obtain the IP address automatically. So let's demonstrate how to live stream to YouTube first. Get the RTMP stream address and key from YouTube. Go to our website to generate the link to a QR code. Connect through Bluetooth the TAO app to the TAO 1 Mini. Then scan the QR code with the TAO 1 app and send it to TAO 1 Mini. A verification prompt will pop up on the interface. Click Yes to receive the RTMP streaming address. After everything is set, tap the live streaming icon. The saved streaming platform is displayed on the top, and the new imported one on the bottom. You can select the desired platform for streaming. If you press for long the streaming platform icon, you can confirm the RTMP address. Delete the unwanted streaming. Tap Edit to set the resolution, bitrate, and display mode. Go back to the home page and tap on Air, and the input signal will be streamed through the internet. That's it.